Hello everyone, I am Jayashree, BCom Corporate Secretaryship from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Industrial dispute. Industrial dispute mean any problem or dispute arises between employer and employee, or employee and employee. Layoff. It is an inability of an employer to give employment to a workman. It may be caused due to breakdown of machinery or any natural calamity. Retrenchment. It is the termination of an employee by the employer for any reason as punishment to the employee for the disciplinary action. Lockout. It is the temporary closing of the workplace or suspension of work by the employer to pressurize the workman or employee to accept his demand. Strike. A cessation of work, that is, stop of work by the employee as a form of protest against the employer. Difference between strike and lockout. Strike. It is the refusal of work by the employee. Lockout. It is temporary closing or suspension by the employer. Strike is a weapon in the hands of employee. Lockout is a weapon in the hands of employer. In strike, it is a refusal of work under a common understanding of people. In lockout, employer have an intention to re-employ the worker if they accept the demand. Settlement. Settlement is arrived after the conciliation or misunderstanding solved between the employee and employer. It is a written agreement between the employee and employer. Such agreement is signed by both the parties and has been sent to the appropriate officers. Award. Award is a final determination or solution arrived of any industrial dispute by the Labour Court, Industrial Tribunal or National Tribunal. Labour Court, Industrial Tribunal, National Tribunal are promoting the industrial harmony between the employee and employer. They settle the dispute and the final determination is called award. Difference between settlement and award. In settlement, it is arrived as a result of conciliation. An award is a decision of arbitrator, Labour Court or Industrial Tribunal. In settlement, both the parties mutually agree and sign on the agreement. In award, it is passed by the arbitrator, Labour Court or Industrial Tribunal. Its decision may be positive on one side and negative on other side. There is no mutual consent between the parties. In settlement, the conciliation officer solved the dispute in a friendly manner. Here, arbitrator, Labour Court or Industrial Tribunal will settle the dispute. Prevention and settlement of dispute. There are three heads in the procedure: conciliation machinery, adjudication and arbitration. Conciliation machinery. In conciliation machinery, there are 4 subsections. First one, work committee. Every industry with 100 or more workmen should constitute work committee. Their aim is to promote industrial harmony between the employee and employer. Conciliation officer. If the work committee cannot solve the dispute, the government may appoint the conciliation officer. They investigate the dispute between the employer and employee. They have the power to inspect any document and investigate any person. Board of Conciliation. The disputes inquired by more than one person shall constitute the Board of Conciliation. Board of Conciliation have more power than the conciliation officer. The board has the same powers as are vested in the civil court. Court of Inquiry. The Court of Inquiry has to examine the issues in depth. It should follow all the rules and procedure. It has the same power as are vested in the civil court. If these dispute not capable of compromising with these four authorities, it will be transferred to next procedure, adjudication. Adjudication. It has three subsections. First one, labor court. The government may appoint one or more labor court for the adjudication of dispute. Industrial tribunal. The appropriate government appoint the industrial tribunal. If the appointed tribunal cannot solve the problem, the government constitutes to appoint new tribunal. National tribunal. If the above two authorities fail to solve the dispute, it will be given to the national tribunal. The above seen authorities, labor court, industrial tribunal, national tribunal, shall appoint only the qualified person who has been a judge of high court, or he has been a district court judge or assistant judge for 3 years, or he has held any judicial office for at least 7 years in India. The person will not be appointed if he is not an independent person or if he has attained the age of 65 years. Arbitration. It has two subsections. First one, voluntary arbitration. Here, both the parties are appointed a neutral third party to solve the dispute. But voluntary arbitration is not successful because the judgment cannot bind both the parties in dispute. Compulsory arbitration. The government enforces the parties to refer the compulsory arbitration. The arbitrator listens the viewpoint of both the parties and gives its decision. This judgment can bind both the parties in dispute. Thank you.